Welcome back to Jammiwood Entertainment, and for your voice and see face you don't know, say a puppy dan. I'm here present for the bad movie called Side Chick Invasion. And people, this is part 2, so just watch it to the end. Tell a friend about Jammiwood Entertainment. I'm out.
Alright, don't look at now, because I don't want to just impress you know. Because I just, your sister will go check, right? Look. Yeah, because you don't know a big deal and thing. So for me, I get there, your sister don't know what's me there.
She have a little idea, not much. Like,
But your mother know though?
yeah.
Oh.
But listen now, my sister don't really know much, like...
Your mother needs to know me before me breathe, you know. She needs to see me. I'm angry, you know, so you love it. But, come on. You sit down back here, so we're going to feel lazy, you know.
So, me ask you a question. How you feel, say you're going to meet my sister?
Mama,
Can you know from
I only have eyes for you. If you say what, me not feel nowhere. Me feel good when me see you. When me get up in my mind and me see you, me feel good. Me not feel nowhere. Mommy the sister, yeah, wagwan, sister-in-law. Goodbye.
Me not understand.
See me how I'm going to meet her.
So me ask, me not mean the way that me mean say, if you're excited, say you'll meet somebody in my family. That is all me ask.
Oh no, I'm not really excited. It's good though to know they will come in the family, so me go meet the family. Come on,
please, be for your best behavior.
Listen, me not behavior. Cut you. What you love me for? To me a behavior?
I'm already super zero.
But just feel look high.
Oh God.
What go on?
We are
go on the road, go do this and come back here. Come, go.
Me don't care about next time. I'll listen to how we did today. Here?
Cook some food till we come back. You know,
you walk?
Yeah, can walk to the front. I don't like go to the side every time. Just cook look of food.
So we can't come.
No, babe, I come the babe, I left my wallet. No, you can't come. I have to get look up before I go. Look at sugar, look at squeeze. Feel like I just pop one pie before we go in about the way. No, don't do it no. Cook some food, special. Don't run for me no. Don't run for me, I will. Sister, your sister the one or so? Yeah. But your sister rich man.
Mother wife. That's right. You hear me alright? You know what I'm saying? And I hear on the day I'm beside saying that make me husband to be meet you. Husband. Hello.
Blessed. I realize say two are not really related because we not grow here and not chin. I tell her, I said, okay, I go for it and make them take out the kind of stuff.
Take off our mother man.
Take off our mother man.
So Alia, this is fire, this is Alia. Nice meeting you.
No, wait there, because you don't know you're dirty. Come so. I clean up your place.
Yes, the door.
No map, your map.
Yes, I mean, Anna map.
No, but you bring out the thing. No, listen, we don't want to start off on a bad note. It start look good though, no look good, no come on some voluptuous, nice woman.
We can feel where some from.
No man, we make them some time man. People take them some time when I make them.
Anyway, so I won. I'm just going to wipe off the hair in there. And then I'm going to look for some food. You can't live on for your fat one day. Yeah, live on for yours. No, but every time you see you eat, you look for food, you do this. You have to survive, you know. You have food, so I'm going to make it quiet.
Alright, so You say you look for your sister, then you go different places. So we just pass through via heal up. So let me see in the street, you know, so I'm not passing still. You know what I mean?
Come on, you're not passing either.
Yeah. So I have to go try upgrade. I'm going to try to get one bus. We have a big family.
Yeah. Anyways, Alian, we're going to fast move, so we can check it tomorrow, yeah? You need to go to me if you sit down and talk. A long time we want to talk, girl. A true man. Tomorrow. Alright. Walk up now.
No, look, I look out here and map a place to lay the door. But I see a heavy door.
So I look like me see you.
I tell you, you want to put in a car because it's dirty. Why not? Like a song.
I saw something when me get man from over so, but through they have the end, I go through a heap of move up and down now.
Yeah.
I go through one heap of
Sit there, sit down there.
Alright, thanks. One of them
Come
there.
up on the road.
Yeah, one of them there, I see me buy a drink there.
Alright, so can me a hug? Come to stand line, man. Can me a hug?
What you do?
No, yeah, we are family.
So what that say?
You can't keep me a family.
No.
Is this not happening?
Listen me, no, me only find something there. You said the girl, you grab me up so far.
But just a check it, I just a good hook. I check if the bumper firm like a sister one. And the firm too, I tell you. Where you know?
You know, later.
Later talk, you know.
Me no fit talk. Yeah, my sister there.
I don't see no man here though.
Because me don't have no man.
That's good. Yeah, well, I go check you.
For what reason?
No worries. When I check you, you know. No worries, man. Nobody not to know.
Nobody not to know what?
When you do it, nobody not to know. Keep it a secret. Listen, man. You see, then say what? I no see. Heart no leave. I'm gonna make you feel sweet. We're gonna make you feel neat. You understand?
Joke this.
No, for real, man. No joke. Calm down, man. Listen, one life you have to live now. We only have one life to live.
So that see me and pick me up for?
Pick you up for what? No, man, you talk about.
Say just help me with the bag because you're my brother-in-law. But
I want to help you with the bag. The bag of things that you have thrown down there. I want to help you with it. Because you carry a heavy load. I want to help you.
You know later, yeah?
Help you up, help you down. Help you in, help you out. I'm a big house, I have to make all over the house if you're up and down, mate. In our birthday suit, I enjoy myself. Nobody have to know. You wanna know? I feel like sell the vehicle and get what I money.
No. Yeah. Alright, man, I'm going to tell you.
Think about it. If you say the word, me just put it for a sales time for me.
Alligator stuff.
So if you're stuck. Anyway, I will talk to you. Yeah, man, take up it. Good on and take up it again. You see your teaser, you know? For your sister-in-law, your teaser.
Girl. Tia.
Hello?
Girl, come here. Me need to talk to you about something.
What happened?
Just come here now, something it's very urgent.
Girl, I sit my dad doing but alright, me a follow.
You can't left for you do.
Me a come.
Alright.
Yeah.
You'll have up to the next one. You might have to go one, yeah.
Girl, I want to wear the emergency one. What do you
Girl, look while we go up on the road, right? So me I come back with the bag you know, cause you know me always go collect some stuff with me always get. And me see your boyfriend and he pick me up and drop me off up here. And then he help me carry bag right, that's okay bag heavy, right? So I tell you, so next time me see me buy my juice cause I write things that look and help me, understand? He said, no man, give me a hug and me hug you. You want to see how the man grab me up so me push him off and say, what ya? Remember say my sister there and I said no. you want to keep it in the family. So I say, keep it in the family. I must say, one of them days, I come check you, and if you run up and through this big house here in a birthday suit and one bag of foolish. So I call you and tell you.
Alia, so you are telling me, say, my man hug up you
And grab up me on your
grab up your own son.
Yeah,
me not believe you.
firm.
Me don't believe you. Alia, what we are try? No, tell me what you are try with my man. Mine and you look my man in a Alia. Mine and you look my man. Me say from little you come like you want in a competition with me with every single thing. What wrong with you, Alia? Me and your sister.
Seriously?
Eh?
Seriously? So me couldn't look him and call you and tell us something your man grab me up?
No, because maybe you look him and then show you know say him what tell me you turn on things for him.
Jesus Christ.
Me not rate you for that, my girl. Me not rate you for that.
What you mean, man? Me I tell you what happened, exactly what happened, me I tell you. Me don't want your man, look how long. No, you don't tell me one for real advice, me in my own house. And me call you and tell you something and you can tell me about me and look here, man. How that makes sense?
Alia, right now me say if me call fire, fire can't tell me say a lie you tell.
So what you expecting there go say, true?
Well,
you expect him to tell us say, yeah, grab me up for you and tell me how me firm.
You have proof? Answer me, you have
me not know say me need proof to tell my sister say her man grab me up.
Me not believe you. Me not believe you. I me not know why you try, but I see anything you try, it not go work. Cause you can't mash up me and my man.
Yeah, I want to do this woman from earth.
Say anything what you want to say. But all me I tell you this, stop spread propaganda upon me nice clean man. You hear me I tell you? Because from when little I grew up, all you want in a competition with me, I watch you look better than you.
Which
and that's your problem.
Which part?
Eh?
Where?
Boy man, grab
Where?
your pants and one way.
If I didn't look better than you, man would grab me up there so. And I tell me I'm a firm and you want to come in and my big house with me and my birthday.
You're too alive.
Man would tell me all of that.
Where?
You're fool. Yeah, man. You watch him man go turn you in a clone on there. Can't believe this.
Hello?
What go on, babe?
Me there here, what going?
What go on, pulling up?
Me there, me not even in no joke mood right now. Cause right now me upset.
One thing, which one be up?
You know, sir, me there home, I do something and my sister call me. I said to me, say, me fi hurry up, come here.
Your sister come? I know that. Wait, probably tell me.
No man, my sister.
Oh, your real sister?
Yes.
Oh, we think I say sister come. Me a plan, me have a piece of loving for you. When me a save for you for this morning.
Listen now, I don't know joke thing me depend right now.
Yeah, what you say now?
Imagine my sister call me, right? And me go over her yard.
Yeah.
Me think of something to the girl, like, you understand what I say? When me hear from the show now, she go tell me, say, she see up on the road.
Oh, no go no further. You know, listen, I'm see her to them and I'm help her carry her bag over. After me carry her bag over, me left her there. Yeah man, that's true. Me see her to them true.
So she tell me, say, she didn't offer you to buy you a drink. But you said no. I hug you once and then you grab her up, run her, you know, her back part.
Oh, I lie that man. Me not grab no back part.
She said grab her up and said to her, say, you want to feel if you firmer than mine or whatsoever.
Hello. You say one thing with a boy and my name easy for call. Me don't know actually if I some cute. She look for me a certain way and I don't know say she want match me and you though. She not tell me nothing like that though.
Why?
Me help her carry something run her yard for true man. I don't know how she find me on the road. She find me and me help her.
So you say a lie she tell?
Me just be a good Samaritan. And my sister-in-law must can't catch something for her yard.
Are you sure, Fire?
Hello. Who me love? Who me love?
You say I'm me son?
No, who I love.
Me.
Alright, so you don't need to question that. You the train have a promise ring for your finger that make you think something. You soon get a ring, you know. I told me I see if you buy one of the $12 million ring in the US. But me I forgot go back and go race and win the money like Usain Bolt. If you can afford it, that's the me not buy the ring yet. Come on and buy no cheap ring, you know. Want buy you something where worthy. Me have to go chop a big song like Fever, get a gold pan it up, me can go get a Grammy like Bob Marley and have a real money. That's why me not buy a ring yet. I walk out you me love.
Alright, me take your word for it, so.
Now take my word, you see later, I go prove it to you. I go give you some love and you go feel it.
Alright. Later.
I feel like come on for the road now, but I have some guests I can't one place. Yeah, for I'm left on the road. As I drop her off, so I have to go pick up some guests. So I wait up the line and deal with them. I'm come down later.
Alright, baby, later.
Alright.
Yeah. Wow, I met the girl here set up me and my man life.
What go on, Gally?
Nothing.
I have a piece of story to tell her there.
Girl, me have still to tell her first. I can't hold for your story first. You know what I say? I have one sister there. And me just feel like she want to mash up me and my man life.
I'm a fraud.
You what? You're fraud. Me not laugh for them enough for true.
Alright.
That's the same as I
Yes, I
think my sister, right? Me go introduce my sister, my man to my sister one day, right? You know say me there, you see how me storm out her house. The girl call me. They tell me say, my man. When me go over there, my man. They finger.
Fire.
Yes.
I lie she a tell. I lie she a tell. What make people so weak?
So what make it, what?
No, because me I say your own sister call you and tell her that boy your man.
Say fire, they like squeeze or bottom to see if it firm. Tell me now. No, just tell me what could have caused all of this. And when me call fire say nothing go so. And she they say, I say, I don't know who to believe right now.
So your sister take your man.
Sister take which
And that your sister though. So how the man reach over your sister yard?
she must have said the man see her on road and help her carry load come her yard. The man a go away, she offer the man money or something of a sort, I don't know. The man must say, give me a hug instead, then hug. The man must squeeze up round her so. Me not understand the story because she tell me one thing, him tell me one thing, and me don't know who to believe.
So you believe that?
Me not believe.
Okay.
I don't believe one bit.
Who you trust, your sister or man?
Me trust my man.
Okay, good. I know you talk girl that's up in the man life firm. I like
Firm like a tree.
I like she like I want to know your man.
Girl, me not even want. Listen, I me not even want to think about that. Cause you see, the moment me start pray that, you're not gonna know what me I gonna do to my own sister. And me don't want to end up on Papa News. You hear me I tell us so? You know I want to forget all about that to you, man. Where did I tell me?
You know what say? I did look a story me have in my head, but it backflip back out. So me can't. But I tell the story. Me have one look man when me have pimp out on the phone. So next time I tell you a story.
You ever come with some foolishness, you know? Anyways, me a grown up so.
You not cook.
Girl, you're there from man and what make you not cook? Why you not cook?
Cook no friendly man.
Me a grown up so.
Friendly, cook no. Yeah, me need it too. And your sister here because I me take your man. Sense.
Beer, you know, that's a blow. Rain just come down for me, so that's good to me have this my boss.
Alright, me soon call you back and take your number here. Alright. I'll search for it.
A man you have on phone there?
Yeah. Yeah.
A man you have on the phone there?
Alright.
I will call you a while ago.
What is the problem? When me by who call me that now?
Listen man. Remember say me head there, you know.
So?
No it's a man to you, you know.
No, listen to me. You see that you have your woman?
Listen.
Me free if you have me
No,
man.
no.
Say
You was a side chick. But since you invade, you come in the relationship. So you know, long up on the side, you know, you're there right in it now. So all the things say me and you know say we now want full relationship, you're full. Every night you take bull in here. Around those so mama sleep. You know say brave though. One night when she drunk and asleep, why you come do it right side of her? But yo, you kind of nerve-wracking because my time she turns on me, I wonder what to do. But anyway, it work out good. So now me I say, me and you there fully. No other man. If me catch a man on the phone, I go lick it in the wall and buy back a new phone and get a new chip that me say then can't find it.
Come I say look a piece of locks up here that fool you.
Mama,
What
that
you
fool
really
me.
know, so?
Me say that fool me.
You're supposed to fool you. You can't
Alright.
do and make you chat.
Listen, me say that fool me.
Oh. And me have all the thought and you can't tell me what to do.
You have all the talk them,
Right.
but me have all of the stabbing them for you.
Lucky. You feel like say
Anyway, what my next woman? What my next woman there?
What we supposed to
Beard! Beard! Oh, you may a search her, you know.
find her?
Now, I was on the road today, you know. The day I called me and asked me about some things. I said, listen to me. Tell your sister if you don't mix me up. I just follow her and carry one bag over her yard. Right? And then me leave. How come she mix me up? So me slap her up on her bumper and test if her bumper firm like your one.
That's what she say. What she say, you know. I know me say so, you know. And
You're
she
sure,
say
sister? But me know that I don't know. Anyway. I don't question that. I don't have time for you to mix up.
Look for you, looking at me and tell me say you never sitting there.
Me never are sitting there. Get me on joke though. You are my woman. You are my woman. You are my woman. I love so much.
Oh, me can't, you have style for me?
I just want you to feel how me feel without your love. Me can't breathe. How would I breathe without here? How would I breathe without here?
What you joke for?
So what? Me can't laugh again.
That's how we love life
Me
festival.
can't laugh.
But anyways, babe, more one drinks.
You want drinks?
Yes.
What kind of drinks you want? What kind of drinks you want?
One drinks a shop.
Mama, go in a bus and take a month a bus, go buy any drinks you want. Me know you when you come buy drinks at supermarket, if you rain or fall. I don't want you to go outside and catch cold.
Yeah, hello babe. Yeah? Excuse me, my man call me. Babes.
Go on out in a bus. Go on out in a bus. Hurry up and go on out in a bus.
Oh, me can't hurry me,
No,
so.
buy one drink to me too. I'm thirsty too.
No, too much nice there in a man. Because the man there so we need woman so me can hardly.
What me tell you say? What me tell you say? What me tell you say? Put on this here. What me tell you say?
No sir.
Have a piece of beating for you in idea.
I got my phone and I make my money here.
Making here.
No sir. I want to call
In the on the phone and I look at a video call, so we go make him see. Don't cut it off. You want to see action? Wow! It's a good thing we didn't take off your clothes, you know. Take off your clothes. Hey, we are come! We are come! What did I do here now? Up in
Door now.
no, why this stuck?
It takes so long for me door.
I run for the next room, I come up in the door.
So we are the run in the next room?
Huh?
We are the run in the next room?
The next room is the kitchen, girl. Me look we have in there where you cook. Food me a look.
I don't understand how make your bed look so. I never left the bed so.
So I didn't on the bed when I left. I was on the bed when you left.
I don't see no money in the bus.
Oh shit. I guess somebody robbed me. Anyway. But that
Where you
time.
up to? I don't understand you know.
I'm up to you. Your friend you just saying that I give you peace that's alright I know.
Come on for me man.
We're gonna go make some drinks.
Yeah,
Come and see food now.
I don't know 1 minute man.
Go get some drinks, make some drinks now. Make some sugar and water and something man. Just then I was so lazy. Oh boy. Life of a king. The life of a king.
Even if we did do.
I'm sure to know.
Oh God.
You know no money? Are you me to talk to?
Huh?
You know no money can give more money.
Broke are
Fire him gun for road from morning. Say I'm going to tell me say I'm not come back till tomorrow. So I want to know why you might do so. But anyways, I'm call my sister. Hello?
Hello?
What going girl?
Hey, what going?
My day you good?
Yeah, I'm just there sitting, you know. I look bored.
Oh, I'm really call you about still, you know, say I want $2,000 me did once.
Me have money, you know. But more buy some stuff, so probably only $1,000 I can give you.
Girl, I 2 months.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, when I don't know come.
Alright, I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, come?
Yeah. I'm well with your sister.
I that me say too. Come on. Oh God. Oh my God. Alia.
Mom.
There, girl. Hello.
Hi. Maybe you're not far out to work.
Good day, good day.
I don't know what you
Yeah.
My girlfriend, Pinky.
Girlfriend.
Me and my friend, you don't understand that? She's a girl and she's a friend. Now where your mind gone right now?
That's where we're all right now, my men.
No, not my world.
Where you come from?
Yeah, my sister.
Yeah, hi, I'm Tia's sister.
I'm thinking,
Yeah.
I do.
What's that like that?
This is how we get on. Come, stop my son. When you sit down, I come. Do you think me have one day with her?
Yeah, I'm going to go for it and I put a hat in. We slide out this morning. Like, so go for you know when we keep them. I take more than one, you know.
May I come and think?
Yeah. Hey, you look
So where you come from?
You know, say I follow her come here so do.
No, I mean where you come from. Where you born
Oh,
and
me
grow
think
up.
that's where me I come from.
No, I mean where you born and grow up.
Oh, me born at Chuku. You know one place named Chuku up in a St. Mary. Chuku. Ever hear about it?
No, I know about fire. I said you don't know them place your country me come from more.
Yeah.
So.
At Chuku me come from. You look nice and calm.
You look slim and trim for true, man. You too. The boy, they must have run it down. And they love slim girl, you know. How are you, can't find me?
I don't see it in the car.
In a top jaw, girl. I come there. You tell me, say, I big one to come now. I said, take up one and take up all that thing. I did take up all cool one too. You're lucky. You're not even full. Ready? Thanks to your money. Yeah, man. And I 2,000 take up a 4,000.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. So your friend and your friend.
No, we just have to be polite. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, mommy. No, me I tell her say the only thing the man do, I carry the bag for me. And then he said me want to hug, so me hug man and grab me up and me call for your daughter. You know when my sister getting your daughter. And I tell her, he cuss me off, this me wicked over here. How me I look at her man. So you know what me I go do? Me I go call her man over here. And then me call her after. Me know see that they go say no man. No, but she accused me of something when me not do so. What me for do me not to try to prove myself. And make she say me right. Me I go see which one of you love today, you know. Or if you love one of you more than one. Because I alone me say this to you, mommy. And if she find out, are you the only person who couldn't tell nobody. Alright then. Yeah man. Alright mommy, alright. Don't do it.
Hello, how is?
I used to stay now, man.
Oh, the sexy rosy one.
Yeah, man, me see one.
You know, say you're not good though.
What me do?
You know, so you do more there. You know, say she go for lock shop, and you may have one special key.
No, man, I don't know why. Like, she come over here and I tell myself, I'm a mouth sleep. I sleep, my mouth sleep, man. But it good, you know, say for other day, me I think about what you said one. You know, say I true you talk, you better keep in your family. Because if cousin make good soup, nothing wrong with sister-in-law and brother-in-law.
Oh, so you come to your senses.
Yeah, man.
So many if you jump all the fences.
So, what you do now?
Well, what me I do now, can't tell you now. Because I survive cartel every day when woman want touch. If I walk, you walk, you tap walk. So me there drive and I park the car. I scan me a while ago, so me pull up on the roadside. So, I make a U-turn.
Yeah, come check me.
Yeah, because I feel U-turn.
Alright. Me never know yard.
Alright, so you have not run of a drink?
Oh, yes.
I need to have a whole jack and a peanut before we reach. Everything sealed up. Let's go. Me a forward. The place a burn down like Sabalama town. Me a come. Yeah, we saw a movie for that, sir. We saw a movie. I don't know, watch people video too much. Park on video now. How do you want that, sir? What do you want, sir?
I saw nosy people, man. No.
We park the vehicle and I'm at them about this and that. Come. Where room there?
Go on and take off your clothes, may I come?
No. Come. No. You're not. Oh, a surprise me.
Just come.
Babes, you there now? Oh.
May I come here? Just take off your clothes, may I come? Tia.
Yeah.
Girl, you know, say you need to come over here and make me a reason.
Why? What the problem again?
Girl, me and your sister. We're not supposed to make man come in between. Just come over with me and sit down and have a drink and reason about certain things. You know, say I'm a sister, I love you already. You don't need fear based over one little man.
Alright, may I come?
Yeah.
No, you want me to come? Like
Yeah, right now. Hurry up to you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
I want to take so long out there.
Come, may I come?
I know so you feel coming on.
What is this girl there? Alia!
Yeah, dear, so. Go and go look in my room.
Go in your room.
Your man in the naked and underpants in my bed. Go and go look.
Girl, you love room joking?
Go look!
I wonder when them two girls they are going within the yard.
Little liar girl. What Monday?
You see one there?
Hey, me don't know laughing with you, no girl. Me not in this with you, no.
You mean baby Monday day in my room?
Woman, nobody not in your room. And I'm not ghost me there with me sure of that.
Wait then.
Oh, what is... This a girl and not easy. You think me have time for waste?
But you want to promote so wrong with you?
No, but in there.
Hey,
You see me
what
there.
you doing to me?
Good evening, mommy.
What you doing to me?
Mommy, good evening.
Oh, because let's talk to me, son. What is it? What's the problem?
Alright, come in and some me explain.
What is the problem?
Sit down.
No, you know, so the
Look here, you don't come.
Bring it down. Bring down the pressure. Bring it right down. What's going on?
As me tell up on the phone already, she wanna look me. So me I try, when me tell her me I go try and set up a man to see if he can't catch it, she can't catch him. But I don't know what the man told. The man did there in my room in my bed naked, in underpants alone.
So why the man take off his clothes naked and you ain't have nothing going in your bed?
Me not already tell her say man I touch me up other day and me tell her and she a cuss me off. So me I try and make things between me and her and she come over here and not believe me same way again. Because you don't believe me.
One at a time. Because guess what? We can't listen to the two on the same time to get the understanding and see who are life and who are tell the truth. So you not tell the man saying can't do not like that to you. You never bring them type of argument there to you.
Me don't need to hear that conversation again because me don't have it this man already.
So I saw no do it.
No, but she have to call me here. She have to talk to me. I made the mother, so she have to talk to me.
Then
if she go talk to her, because there's a problem in the house, or a problem between two siblings. This don't make no sense.
Oh, man.
I know me can't talk to me. Hear what me say.
Alright, talk.
Other day, she called me, right? Emergency, me left for me and do me yard. Come over here, she come and tell me, say, man grab her up and feel it for firm. When me come from the man about it, the man say a lie, right? Me, I don't believe my man, you know. You understand what I say? Because she don't have no proof. And you say,
I don't believe man over your own family.
Listen what me
over your own blood.
One at a time. She a talk. You get a chance to talk. You can't go up with your say. You get a chance to talk. Make she explain herself so we can get the full story and see what really are going on to the truth.
You can't go forward without evidence.
No, you can't.
Just run your time forward, right? That's how one. Today, no. Me dey about my business, this girl call me again. So if we come over here, we need to mend things, we need to this, we need to that. Me come over here now, think the girl will talk to me. She tell me some man inside, in a underpants. When me go in there, no man
So the man, so the man there.
Outside a ghost me there with. It look like a ghost.
So what the man there?
The man must go down to the back door.
What me can never take one picture in the bed or something.
Because more you come see with your own eye, girl. More you see yourself. That
Have a point.
exactly.
Have a point.
Me can't have a picture in that phone and you can't still say,
I lie.
I know you.
Have a point.
You can't still say, I'm me certificate for
But this a man of
whatever.
what kind of man this?
One Rasta man.
If you want the one there with you and there with your sister, you know say your sister no come from the same.
Mama, listen here, listen
You need to
here.
kick him to the curb.
The man hug me up on the way, the man grab me up, you know. Me have to
No.
push off the man, you know.
No, get rid of him.
And me tell her she cuss me like a dog, you know.
No, because he might take care of your money and then he go with that. Get rid of him. Because in the first place, he
You
should not
have
look
to
for your
say
sister.
everything.
It should not look for
You
your
want to come
Here,
here,
one. Me not go sit on your son and discuss my man with you.
Yes, you.
Me not business
You
where
find
you
him.
want.
You find
You
him.
know,
You know.
take your head and turn.
He innocent until proven guilty. Already rain and fall me and walk burn and
I tell me no one in my yard. You have yard?
Yeah, you know, no one say that I walk out of the house and I say, "Mummy, bye." I said, I brought you up. Lord of mercy, Jesus, God, make him be a change.
Mommy,
Me think he changed you.
I just see me sit on there so me not tell no lie. The man I love you.
Me believe you.
If I want to come in the room, you come. But me I'm going.
Me believe you. And everyone knows there's a lot of the brought up shit. Jesus Christ, over this grace. What a shame. What kind of document? You know, I'm not brought up saying you don't want to be.
Hey girl, you know say it's a wicked piece of girl.
We are friends.
Me know me not friend you. You know, when you get so wicked.
How I know?
Why you take your sister man for?
Jesus Christ. Why mother go take my sister, man?
No, you have to stop it, man. You go come down today. And today me go bring her down. Stop trying to take your sister, man. You don't look good. I say you short of a service.
If me there take your sister, man, my sister.
My
man.
sister, for your sister.
Whatever. You know, I confuse me right now. Can't look like enough for my sister, for your sister. Are you your sister? Cause you come on and want to drop down my throat now.
Why you dey take a girl, man? Y'all in a house with him. Them decide enough to do it, man.
Listen me. The man come over here and grab me up. I'ma call my sister and tell my sister about it. My sister have if you say, I chew me a lucky man.
Stop tell lie. Me and you know say you want to look a service in there.
Which little service? Why
Let me
you
buy
have
which little service. Cause everybody at me here say I run on that arm Rasta man sitting there. So go on like you want to look a service in there.
I have no idea what you're talking about. So kind of legal. Come out of my yard.
You want to look a vampire. Remember me tell you.
Come out of my yard, miss.
Remember me tell you.
Kylie, come out of my yard.
Vampire, stop trying to take the girl, man.
Oh, so that my sister.
No. If you want to just run and jump on you and run
No,
away.
jump on me. No, this not look right. This son personal door. You don't look like a my sister, man. You look like a fear man.
If you want to call this out, stop trying to take the girl, man.
No, he personally burn your door. No, sir. You know what I want? You know this here there. No, man.
You know, so for last time I want to talk to you about this is a perfect time to say, come in here and spoil it. Right?
Yeah.
What make from other day I didn't notice I say you're not performing a bed like when you used to perform in a bed. I be 1 minute, 2 minutes, you know a long distance to like first time, you know. And then sometimes I tell you, I touch your head, be me tired man. Alright.
Where are they then?
Where are you going? Come here, go on the road.
Alright, if I go up on the road, if you see Brother Bill, right? Tell him to send a look up some money come. Because me have 500 US, right? I'm going to give him to buy something. And you know, get the thing, so take the money from him. Alright? And I turn now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah man.
Already, come on.
You're so anxious.
Because it plays a gun lock. Come on now.
Alright, may I need to finish the conversation?
Oh, yeah, hurry up and come. Hurry up and come back. When hurry up and come back, you know, not a long on the road. Watch a one movie, you know. How that? No, come in, man. She in the kitchen there.
She in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Tia!
I want mosquito. Mosquito full up in our place, you see? Me don't know so much mosquito, man. I tell her sister say no. Sorry. So one more, they want to bite you.
Look here, what's here there?
Oh, she
You
gone
same
pa-
thing?
she gone pa
You
the
same
road,
thing
man.
me I try.
You see, we are try a foolinish.
I mean by a foolinish.
Watch her. You know how your
Excuse
sister
me,
stay
excuse
ready.
me.
You know. Me know see you feel the energy, you know. Because I'm related. So I don't like the same things. For real. You have family. So I don't like the same things. You have the same smile. You have come and squeeze the bumper and realize say it's same bumper on have
So how you tell Tia say you don't squeeze it?
Yes, you wanna you try to set me up. Don't set me up, right? But you have something to get me up. Every time I see you. Why?
Listen me.
Your sister not have to know.
What you mean by my sister not have to know? That not right.
You go tell her sister?
No. Me not go tell him if something like that did happen, but
No, from what day you try tell her say I want you. And she not believe you.
because Miss Fowl you pity my sister feels that me have you out for
Because she tell me some story, you know. You see all the man where they love so much. She went there with the man, but you don't know. Me she tell her secret there. But between me and me tell her back the secret. Shh, keep your mouth shut. The man where they love. When I grew up, where they love. And you wonder why the man stop talking to you. And she did do it. So I tell her pillar talk that day. That a pillar talk. And we still attack about some more things. But me now going into details.
She tell you, see how she did with Brian.
I'm making left you.
And if she see how me
You're
not
mad out.
sleep night.
Yeah, man. You go for name dog shit.
No, that part they are never true. That part they are never true.
Oh. Rough.
Why?
Anyway, I saw me cook in the kitchen. They look like it boil over in the stove there. Anyway, I'm not worried about that. Make it burn up.
What me make it burn up?
No, mama, me I tell you, make that burn
have
up.
a conversation about that. About Brian. No,
So differently about that. No, what go on for me and you?
What for go on?
Yo, cut off fight no man. Cut off of that style, man. Some of the money with tea I get, you forget it too. Some of the love with tea I get, you forget it too. Some of the body, you forget it too. You forget everything, you forget some of it too.
The money where you have a guitar, it even look like it enough. So you can
I told you no know. Every time I give her money, I put down some so a few bit could have pile up and all like a partner. You could have can get a jar. Anytime you make me slap the jar, you get the jar.
It's strange. You want to sit down?
Panwa. Oh, on the bed. Oh. So you see, you want to set on, you know. When you say you want to sit down a while ago, I wonder upon what, and now you say upon bed. Anyway, I gym see you last night.
I do.
And you do some things, you know, me feel like me there on Freedom Street concert. Yeah, man. And then you feel excited. Feel like 10 like a child.
You know what? It's a
Me no know, I say a while in my dream. I say a while in real life.
It's a sin state, Brian.
You can't take me.
Yeah, go take you.
Yeah. When you take me now, you can't take me now, you know. Though she soon come though. Ah, you want know?
Me call you come.
No, me go come over later.
So why so quick?
No, listen now. When, cause then soon come back, she and her best friend gone on the road.
Best friend
Yeah, so I told them apart, find what they them tighter than peas, not to breeze pass through sauce, so them a roll. But anyway, when them coming back later, cause them gonna do something soon coming, when they come see and they go wonder what they are going. You understand? But tonight, I go come over there, go and give a link. Me no like the last time me have to run through the backyard in my underpants alone and everybody a look for me and I laugh. Me no like the embarrassment, but tonight me go and give a service with anger. Me know say you go like it. Me know say you go like it because I have a piece of passion for you.
No.
Yeah, because what you do?
What me do?
No more girl look at teaching.
Me just want try prove something to my sister, but since you just tell me
Prove something to me.
my sister did deal with Brian when we younger.
Yeah, so prove something to me.
Take my
A
revenge.
time for you to prove something to me tonight. I'll be there.
Yeah, come over.
I get there so I clappy. Alright. How that?
You go be right now?
Oh.
Well, see you come on now.
No, me have to ask still. Me don't know when me not there who I come here. I want one man a blood clean knock it down and see when me not fist him 9 face. Oh, where money there? You get the money for the out?
I get it from him, but she never have no pocket. Me gear for Wallis.
Oh, alright. Oh, 200 out tighter.
I told Jamie one, because I see something on your phone and I 30,000.
And I just go collect.
You don't have no money, girl.
Oh, wow, so I can't give more money.
Yeah, we get some money, me change it and something. But anyways, me have a battery man come back. You
Change it, $1 you then I give a good rate. 9,000 there.
Yeah.
Right, so no means to say you get this in a 3 or 4, yeah? What is it buy? Last night me I reached 3 of the carry out up on the road and I don't know what you do. Huh? How I go on?
I don't like how I move though.
Remember saying no. You're in the place now, you know.
Why you not send a girl? Send him up to some country
In
or
soon,
something?
you see now? Me I try to line up a farm work for him. Make him come back every 6 months. So me I can there, straight through. So me I line up for him. You understand? So if somebody I line it up, so everything go good. You swam for yourself, man. Alright? You should do something right now if you come back, but the quickest thing now work with you, you know. No, every minute you want 3 hours something. No, you might complain about the 1 minute. Because be 1 minute give and get 3 hours, you know. When we get 3 hours, a Greenfield hotel or we go up and we go anywhere and come back in and she want. We just give one minute and 2 minutes and go sleep. But anyway, tonight we are going somewhere.
You're not supposed to be alone.
But what's another man? No worry yourself. She soon come back in and now. Yeah.
I'm going to the kitchen. I still not go collect.
Alright, maybe we can wear a go later.
Sorry. The thing is going in your room all long.
Girl, I Wi-Fi me I try catch good writer so can now walk around this.
So what going on? Let's see if I talk to him about baby. You know I love you, right?
I talk to you about big and serious. Back to what me I say.
Give me the front part, I don't like the back part. Give me the front of the argument, there come.
No, you're not taking it serious and that means you can't stand with you, you know. Me I talk about the fact, say, I pay a 1 minute, 2 minute business you the pan. I mean I like that.
But you know so now, when you just meet me, how much minutes you go?
We go on 1 hour,
2 hours, 3 hours,
so.
right?
So my problem now.
As you go along, no listen now, so my time you have to take you 1 minute. Take you half a minute. Because I remember saying me I work hard, I work for the future.
So me ask you something. You don't like it because you're just you're fast shot in a bed, me go look somewhere else?
What you say?
What you mean by me I say we have a conversation, we are reason.
Alright, so is the joystick that important? more than me making money? Is my joystick important more than the money out of my wallet? Is the joystick important more than the 200 US I gave you a while ago? Tell me, make up your mind. Because I can't stop work and there all day and give it to you, till you can't take it no money, you know. And then you go dead for your call pay hungry belly, me I give it to you, you know.
You not understand what me.
Don't you know I have to work, right?
You have to work, yes, but
come on. When a season, we not no time for reason. We just have to do it, right? The season go back down, you know. We have time for you, you know. Now a tourist season, me have to there. Out there.
All me can tell you is
them a call tonight me have to go hotel. When you sleep
in a night
me have to go.
But tourists have to go in a night.
Alright, me I move them from point A to point C. Because what you know, them a keep some over this hotel here and me tell them you have to go to the next hotel and then you go drink so they don't want to drive.
Right.
My job that.
As much as I love money, me don't like the job I feel. The job I feel.
US money I'm making now. US money. And you see I'm not forced to work, what you come and talk now. Mary, you don't talk for your part of the story. Come and talk to you now. I'll try to line up a piece of work for you. For you go afar and go work some US money. We have a dream, you know. We have a dream. The house where we want to live in now, when you walk out of the door, you must walk down in one pool. And we have a look at jacuzzi and look at the sun. That's one at the door them. You know, relaxation. You look at garden and look at something there. You know what I mean? So we go build that something if we not make no money. You understand? So we there as a rough it out now, you have to go far and go play for your part too. Because I play for me. US money I get in, I save some money on my US account same way. You understand?
Yeah, we talk about that one.
Alright.
Because you not get the point to me and say.
You want to get the point now?
You not.
At the point you want to get? At the point you want to get? You want to get the point now? You can knock 2 minutes and you know.
Me no want 2 minutes, me tell you like 2 minutes there, man.
You say you want to get to the point, you want to get to the point now?
Me tell you like 2 minutes there, man.
You say you want adventurous, you want to go do it in the closet? You want to go do it in the closet?
Me no want nothing, me good.
I could do it in the shower then. Because you smell like you did sweat up too much. Go wash it off you and hose it down. No man, the drive up and down tell me man, you good?
One of my cousins called me, so I go on the road go meet her, yeah? I soon come. Thank you.
Ah? That's they are scroll up on the TikTok, you know?
Oh, that makes sense.
Mm.
Oh, God. You know what I'm saying? On the road, I go to one of my cousins called me, say, she and her man in a one piece of argument and something, so I go on the road, go yard, go see what go on.
Oh, sorry about that. You know what I say? I seen me a look on a while ago and it drew my attention to it. But where do you say now?
Oh, Jesus.
Just give me a little peek. Me will catch up with what you say. Where you say now?
You know hear what I say?
No, me not hear what you say. What you say?
Me I tell her say, one of my cousins call me, say she and her man in a one piece of argument and sitting so like him and I kill her over there, so me I go see what go on.
Hurry up and go look. Hurry up. No, sir, me not really want to go up on the road. Me tired of now.
Alright.
Yeah.
We soon come.
Alright. Yeah. What's the way you take out a woman from out there?
No, she asleep, me asleep and she said she go somewhere.
So what happened?
There. So you want to do something before she come back?
She should even come back tonight. Like she not come back for now.
She come back, that's why I tell you to put on back her clothes. And she come, you can just go back on like now.
She could go stay up her sister yard.
You work like...
So girl just act.
But you know, me get the work for her, you know, and she no want to go. She get the work, you know?
Cause she...
She for go work, you know.
I watch
she no want to go.
I watch you. She lucky.
How that?
I'll be door.
Now come.
Come in, baby. I dream a while ago. I dream.
Where's your boy?
No, me and you. For honeymoon. And yeah, run good on one place. And me I run you down. Yeah.
So after me leave, you go back to sleep?
Yeah, I'm going to the rest.
So I make a clothes look up on you?
No, because in IG me there run. So me I run with clothes.
And who did I run?
A back a girl I run down the rest of youth. And me I say, me can't love them. Me a one burner. And me I run down and I go down and say, yeah.
Okay. That nice.
So, come.
No. Me not the mood. They stop now.
You have a hour for you now. When me I save it for you.
Me no want.
All of the 1 minute them and 2 minutes me I save it for you. So that now you get your hour. You go take your hour.
Me no want no hour. Me good man.
No.
You know something for go or not.
A bun you give me?
Me not.
Mine a bun you give me, you know. Me say mine a bun you give me. See me rest a while ago. Me charge up and now I'm ready for you. No kiss off for me.
That's Bill now.
Come, go on.
That's Bill. You
Bill
know
what?
something for
Me have to go to work. Me have to go 1 hour for now. So me give you 1 hour.
Me no want no 1 hour. Me tired.
Give half an hour.
Me tired, man. I don't know my cousin me I come from and sitting. You know.
Hey, cousin make good soap, you know.
A girl cousin.
Yeah, but me not give a damn. Me say cousin make good soap.
What Pinky then?
Sure, me not see her. She must run her room. Me not move out of my room for something there. What a nice mosquito on your bumper. I'm clapping for you.
Go on, man, go on.
So, wow, what me do you do? You know what?
You know
the
Alright, come.
Come take your half an hour. Go on the sheet. Go under the sheet.
You love on that sheet though?
Yeah.
Spice razor.
Me get a nice vibes under the sheet. I got a piece of style that I'm saving for you. Saving.
I'm serious to God.
You see you want the hour, you go get it.
Girl, miss. Evening.
Evening.
Where Tia there?
She not there.
Is she gone?
I'm your keeper.
No, you can't
don't know where she gone.
keep her. Anyways, you think me no know? You don't have a woman bed. You think me no know? Say, you there with a girl man? I live under the people I roof.
Where you get that from?
Where me get that from? Know yourself. Just know me know. I'm going to all her sleep. So, when she come, she will see me.
How come to chat?
No, my love. We just come link my friend. Remember my friend. Before you end.
No way I talk about sis. So you're going to sleep?
I'm going to sleep, girl. Shh.
Right.
Can't talk. So you must say a tea. When we should have call her? When we should have call her, she soon come.
She said she not take no call, you know.
She not in the car? Or she gone? We call him too long time for me to come from food and I want to her, man. But
come, man.
It's alright. I know she not take long because she wants me to come.
Get a rest, man. The informer dead. What you mean by you want to come chat? You like your head, girl? You know, say from me see you come and me say I want to look a problem child. You just mix up. You can't see people business and leave it alone. Don't get a box in your face. You informer, girl.
Yeah! Oh God! You couldn't take up my clothes on my fire light!
Bombard. Heavy man. Hot.
Open your door.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. Girl, they couldn't take up my clothes on my fire line.
You know, say I dropped me there, drop asleep a while ago. Yeah.
Oh God. You see my friend come here. That I see him girl when they come here the other day. She tell me say she had come, she called me, but through me a hurry, me couldn't wait to talk to her.
No, so me not see a friend. No.
You sure?
Yeah, me not see her until.
I understand. Anyways, maybe she ain't better come. Phone on charge. No fear phone is.
No girl, off my phone. Now the case. No, listen now. You see the case? I change it. When I tell you I go up on the road look spooky. So I change my case.
Favor fear phone though, but
sir.
I use the bathroom here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bob. Bob. Hurry up and come on me there now, come move on body. When by from me say no. Alright. Bob. See.
What do you do?
Take up him body and carry him, put it somewhere. Me don't know what. Take up.
You know, big door.
Take up his shit. Take up.
Only foot them. Only light up. Only foot them. Wait. On every man. Come, let me put in my car. Me have a car at me.
Jesus. Oh, what is boring? Wait. Watch it now. Hold your foot, me hold your hand then. What is mommy?
Okay, Joy. Where you get it there from?
Man.
Come on. Don't drop him now.
Where come from now? What? There for anybody? Which part? Allah ya tell. Why I'm sorry for you that. Imagine if your family go through you now. And all my sister best friend too, you know. Why is that sad news? I have to go call her and tell her. Yeah, and I see her just other day, you know. She come over and say something to me. Why I can't believe this though. Anyway, thanks to tell me later. I'm going to go call my sister right now because I want my sister hear this now. I'm going to drop down. Alright, later. I'm really sorry, Felicia. Oh, my sister.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's that going?
I know I don't really find no good terms, but I need to talk to you about something. Just here, one disturbing news look while. Let me think I go on here.
Come go fiance how your son say, which way
Oh, I sit up on the veranda. Why? This is news I don't know what he said. I can't tell over my phone.
No, what could happen? No, alright, me I come, me I forward.
Alright.
Yeah. Girl, I don't like when you call me and tell me to come here, you know, because you ever have something up your sleeve. And me ever like you that they run a come.
Listen.
Oh, boy.
I don't want for my sleeve today. I said no for your sleeve.
Oh, what no? What my man do now? What my man do?
No, I don't know where your man
Sure.
Listen, you don't know how to tell this.
What do mommy?
No, the mommy. Your friend Nisha. They find her she dead.
She what?
They find her body she dead.
Don't tell me no. Which one they find her? Oh.
Right, one on New Roads run yesterday.
So
So it look like somebody's stifling her strong.
Alicia.
really sorry for you.
I just said that day Alicia called me, I'm not answer calling her. Jesus Christ. Girl, I must... Can't believe that. Who could have want to kill Nisha now?
I don't know, I say he look like a homicide. And then them say he look like a murder. We don't know. But as somebody that pass and see her foot, they left foot. They say they see foot cock out, so when they move the bush, then they say she lying over there in her corner.
No, this is not safe. It's not safe. Girl, I feel like never man.
No man, sit down, man. Sit down,
Best friend. What Nisha could have do? Me not say Nisha they do nobody nothing. So you mean by they find Nisha and alive? What you mean? Girl, are you alone me here with this? You sure?
Call Reassurance. Call her me. She just called me.
Hello, Miss Jones. Your man at your alias. Yeah, confused. Miss Jones, where you said Donisha? Lord have mercy. Alright. Girl, man.
Take it easy.
Feel. Hey, yeah, come on. I'm fire.
Don't get up. Hush, man, hush. Hello. Come down, man, when I'm here. She run and she can't walk, she weak. Alright, hurry up and come.
I never deserve this, Nisha.
Was she here?
You're not none of it, Nisha.
Oh, sure.
Babe, how are you? How are you?
You find out my friend then.
What you doing?
Them somebody killing my show me in a bush. You can't keep it up.
Calm down, man.
I don't feel like we can't go on, I feel guilty.
Are you killer? Should I want you cry? She love you, right? She don't want you to cry. But we're sorry to hear that. We have to go on the 9 to candlelight and all them things. But anyway, you have to survive it. You know want she dead. Like me, I'm not me killer no, because I never there. When she dead though? Or when she dead?
Then just said her this morning, I don't know when she dead.
Oh. Anyway, and I'm my best friend. She use her mouth too much. That the girl is using mouth too much. But anyway, come.
Girl, did I hear what
We're gonna call Pinky boy son teeth yo. Till I reach her. Come, take your time.
You can't hold her by her shirt, so hold her run. Watch it. You can't watch it. You can't do her so.
No.
Let her go. Let her my sister move.
I don't know why she a ball though.
But you can't hold her so. How you have to hold her so? Yeah, get up.
One thing your floor
Yeah,
dirty.
get up, man.
Get up off your sister floor, because your floor dirty.
Now you're pulling by the floor.
You don't know where you go buy a pop to do. Come on.
Come on higher.
Well, we can't go straight in my yard and give some loving. You know what I want? I'm going to sit the ball back. Yeah, me I say no. Them gone for a while, but then soon come back.
Remember Sue come back.
I don't know what time I come out. Then gone, but then go and go take about 1 3 to 4 hours. So by them time, they but you must know, you not carry no rubbers or something.
No. No, you're supposed to do something there.
I know, man, but I just get caught up and all of them in the vehicle, I give them out. So my time the panel and people beg me, just give it till me now. So I just run, go up at the shop and come back. So we have enough time though. You can ready up yourself till I come back. Or if you want, me take off everything off of you.
Just go on and come.
Alright, me and come.
Stop waste time. Me longer you say.
But yeah, true, the longer me take, yes sir. At the shorter time it and do so. But the shorter time it
Yeah, girl. I told the girl I didn't even know we know. Oh.
Say.
Yo, son, yo.
I don't want to
Let me tell you, no girl can play with me. Not true because you see me silent. No girl can play with me. It's me have to light up my cigarette same time. Some girl.
Yeah, take a right cigarette.
Some girl.
Nah, but don't you know, mama?
I tell you. Some girl if you know themselves. Alright. That me make her know.
God, I'm tired. Mama, the cigarette are bad. I'm still in now, so you have to go out the service.
Oh, so me still on your son. Me touch the door. Me say if she still burn me cause the girl come like she nah no sense. The girl get me cheap, brother. I get what me that me a talk about.
I feel my friend them ever mad. Hey, I'm mad girl, Selena. Me I tell her say the cigarette are bad.
I should have my man she a take and she say, oh water got pumpkin belly. I should have my man she a take.
Come.
Oh, eh?
No, me I tell her it's smoking and you understand? Oh God. But wait. Let me put the camera over here so you see there. Lord have mercy. I remember nothing about it, you know. Pinky!
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Pinky, come here.
What's up?
Come here.
What?
Pinky. Pinky, now you Pinky, really and truly me take care of my house off a road after you don't live nowhere. And you come there with my man Pinky in a bed. How long now this a go on?
Listen. Me have an apology. Me have an apology to tell you. Listen. Me have an apology to tell you. Me.
Mama, me no want hear no apology.
Take your man and
You need to just come out of my
Me
house.
not sorry. Me take your man and me not sorry. Let me tell you something. Oi! Stand up and don't move. Don't. Let me tell you something. Turn up this one. You see all this while I mean your man there and so and we do everything at night time. You see when you sleep, girl, I mean your man that. You see when you gone out, I mean your man. I feel me him.
Pinky.
You see all no, listen, shut up your mouth. You see all your friend and me kill her. And you see, you go dead tonight, and dead man can tell no tales. So shut up! You ball? Where you ball
do
for?
not kill me.
Where you ball for? You know what I say?
Over there, so. Oh, so are you killing? She killed Nisha. Call the police.
Alia, what you do ya?
Shut up, come on, Taylor.
No, me explain that later. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. When me there tell her things, you never believe me. Hey, girl, sit on the side and don't move. Call the police, yeah, look. Where do boy? You see me a take man?
And my man that. Forever my man.
Yeah, I feel man in a prison.
Hello? Is this Negril police station?
Yo, me not like how you sidestep me.
We're located in Namprel Road, and we have one friend here with a weapon, with a firearm. You can come to the address, please.
You remember when time? Watch out, you
25 Namprel Road, yes.
You remember when time I come over here and look for me sister?
Hurry up, officer, hurry up.
When you hear them come, me hide in my closet. She a try kill a girlfriend. Watch out, when gone.
Me.
When gone.
Me.
When gone.
So Pinky. Not even so Pinky. I hear you really betray me like this with one
No,
sister.
you not talking now. You not talking. Me know about when time with the liquor, you know. And me in love with the boy. Me know say you take away boy, you know.
Me?
Yes, fire tell me say you say you. Take him away from me.
You know, sister, fire play your girl.
You mean by fire play me? Fire tell
Ali
me.
and mother never do something like that.
Fire tell me say you tell him say you there with him. And make me over there can't sleep at night time. So him say me forget revenge for him, so what that me do?
Not tell fire nothing like that, Pinky. Me take you in off a road, Pinky, and this a really dummy.
And so what? And so what?
Can't believe so me call him my friend. Me call him my friend.
If you shoot me, you go in a prison. Just like one want to do me right now. So no one go in. So no one put me in a prison. You kill me, you're going to jail or prison, one of them. So, nothing what you do right now can't hurt me. I'm a man that I'm love him. I'm tired to play a side chick in my
You
life.
see,
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. You understand? And as I say, people, want to just continue to share love over Jammiwood Entertainment. Tell a friend about over here. So, and if you never watch part 1 yet, and you watch part 1 and understand it, just watch part 1 on the channel. Side Chick Invasion. Watch it. Tell a friend about over here. So, because they are going to do great work. Big up on yourself. A lot more bad movie I fall.
Yeah, blessed. Do you know me? Do you know my name? Alright, so you know who I and I is. Right? And you find me also. Subscribe to the channel. You can watch all the movie. You can for a long time you saw me, they come go in the street. No people say, what for your ass there? Long time you see no movie to the bossy. Yeah, we do movie every day. So let's go over to Jammiwood. Remember me tell you, JAMMIOOOD. Just write in that Jammiwood. And go over there, subscribe. We want 7,000 more to catch to the 100K. Right? That is what I want for Christmas. Enough respect. Do it. I know that you can. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. You take what you take, and you go do what you do. Alright? We are fight the good fight. You know what I mean? All of things to the new year, but let us get through the whole year first. You know what I mean? And give thanks to everything what you do in a life. Give thanks to the blessing. Give thanks to wake up this morning and everything. Give thanks. What a thing going on in the world? I don't think I'm gonna talk about it today, but we'll catch up on the one next time. And one thing I can tell you, the thing might small, I will take the time and do it, but me not grudge nobody in the world for nothing where them have. Based upon some revelation that I've seen coming out of the world this year, I don't grudge nobody for stardom. Because enough man I get held down. Enough man I do a lot of different things that they're not supposed to do. Cross the board. So me good. I take my time, I build my things straightforward. That is just I and I way of surviving. Take what you take and go do what you do. Might slow, but 100k, just to say, yeah, we are putting some work from that time till now. Jammiwood is here. Straight Jammiwood. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. Give thanks for watching the movie still. You know what I mean? Give thanks for your support over the period of time. You know what I mean? Big up all of my sponsor them, all of my producer them from that time till this time. So me I sweat. I'm gonna start work yet. Some of me I work, me put in the energy and the effort. Some might say me talk too much, but some people don't want to listen. And that's a problem though. We are too fast in everything, so we are get tricked. Because we just move too fast. So sometimes have to listen. Information to people sometimes tend to be boring. And that's a problem sometimes. Let's go. We don't have too much talking, because you know you go. Burn it down to the ground. Give thanks to the talk again. More movie are come. Remember, 100k for December 2014. Do it now. Let's go.